A 50 kilo electron volt X-rays is scattered through an angle of 90. What is the energy of X-ray after Compton scattering? So the given is angle which is equal to 90. So the rest mass of electron m0, which is 9.1110 raised to power minus 31 kg. The speed of light is 310 raised to power 8 meter per second. So the energy is 50 kilo electron volt, and just we have to convert kilo into just simple electron volt, and after that we will convert electron volt into joule. So let's find. So 50 multiply 10 raised to power 3 electron volt, or we can just simply write this into 50,000 electron volt. Now we have to convert electron volt into joule. So it is very simple. So you can just multiply the value of 50,000 with the 1.602 10 raised to power minus 90. So multiply the both values and you will get what? Do it yourself. This multiplication is just do it yourself. So we will get 8 multiply 10 raised to power minus 15 joule. So this is the given energy in what? In joule. So we just convert 50 electron volt into what? Into joule, which is 8 10 raised to power minus 15 joule. Now let's start to find the required value. So we have to find this energy of the scattered photon. So we have to find what? Find the energy prime. Energy prime will show the scattering energy of the photon after scattering. And also we know that there must be a change in the value of energy after the scattering, as well as in the change in the value of lambda, as we know that in the Compton effect. Now let's find the value of scattering energy of the photon. Now we have a formula which is E equal to hc divided by lambda. So you guys already know that. How can we find E is equal to hc divided by lambda? Now just interchange the value of E and lambda, so we get lambda is equal to hc divided by E. So just start putting the values of hc and E, and we will get what? The value of lambda. So it is equal to, the value of h is 6.626 multiply 10 raised to power minus 34 multiply with the c, so 3 10 raised to power 8 meter per second, and divide by the value of E, which is 8 10 raised to power minus 15 joule. So do it yourself, and we will get the value of lambda is 2.49 multiply 10 raised to power minus 11 meter. So this is the lambda after scattering. Now from the equation of the Compton shift or the Compton scattering is what? Change in lambda is equal to lambda prime minus lambda. So lambda prime is the value of lambda after scattering, and the value of lambda is before scattering. So it is equal to h divided by m naught c into 1 minus cos of theta. So putting the values, which is equal to, so we have to find what? The value of lambda prime. So you can just shift this lambda into this side, so we will get lambda prime is equal to lambda plus h divided by m naught c into 1 minus cos of theta. So we already find the value of lambda. So now you can just putting the values into this equation, and we will get the value of lambda prime, or the scattered lambda. So lambda prime is equal to, the value of lambda is 2.49 multiplied 10 raised to power minus 11 plus the value of h is 6.63 multiplied 10 raised to power minus 34 divided by the value of rest mass of electron, which is 9.11 10 raised to power minus 31, multiply with the speed of light, which is 3 10 raised to power 8 meter per second, and into 1 minus cos of 90. So just do it yourself. So first of all, multiply this value and do it this division and solve the cos of 90, which is equal to 0. So we will get just only 1. So multiply 1 into this equation with this term, and we will get the same values, and then after that add with this lambda, and we will get the lambda prime is equal to 2.73 multiply 10 raised to power minus 11 meter. So this is the value of scattering lambda. Now we have to find what? The value of scattering energy, or the scattering energy of the scattering photon. Now we can write equation in this form: E prime is equal to hc divided by lambda prime. So we cannot just change the value of h and c because both are constant. So we can change the value of E and lambda. And you also know that in the Compton effect there is the change only in energy and wavelength. So now putting the values, where h is 6.63 multiplied 10 raised to power minus 34, multiply the value of c is 3 10 raised to power 8, and divided by the value of lambda is what? 2.73 multiplied 10 raised to power minus 11. Just do it yourself, and we will get the E prime is equal to 7.286 joule. But now we have to convert joule into electron volt. So this answer will be will not be considered because the value of energy into joule. Now it should be converted into what? Into electron volt. So now let's start to converting this energy into electron volt. So the E prime is equal to 7.286 joule the value of this E is 7.286 multiplied 10 raised to power minus 15 joule. So the complete value of this is what? Minus 15 joule. Now just divide this value into over what? 1.602 10 raised to power minus 19, and we will get what? E prime is equal to 45.5 10 raised to power 3 electron volt, or we can write the prefix over the place of 10 raised to power 3 is what? 45.5 kilo electron volt. So this is the required answer.